Hello, my name is Ratan Sahi. My UN ID is 18413651. In term 2 of our module, System Development and Design, we had a task. Our task was to create a graphical user interface using Java. So the purpose of the graphical user interface was to give give access and right to the two type of user. First was the admin. Admin has the right to add, view, delete lecture, and also add a new department, view department, and also delete the department, while the security can only view the lecturers from the certain department. So this is our login prompt, which in which if we write the correct data, only we can access to the admin portal or the security portal as per the login details. So for now, if I write my name, for example, and type something invalid, if I try to log in, it will say user ID password did not match. So it needs exact or correct user ID and password to to further go to the next portal. So the reset button will simply reset something, reset and clear. So if I write the actual password, which is RV, username and password is SH, if I press login, I will be prompted with admin panel. So this is a basic admin panel. So in here we can see the lecturer, add button, view, delete, full-time, part-time and contract time. So basically the full-time, part-time and contract time are the three types of lecturer, and we can see individual type of lecturer. And in the department section we have add, view and delete, and as is same as lecture, we can add a lecture, add a department, view the department and delete the event. So let's start with department as it is shorter. So if I press the add button, I'll be prompted with a form, and we can add a new department. So what if I write a department name, for instance, ecology, department website. So eco want to add gmail.com. This is just an example. And department in science is okay. So username. So the username and password here are for the secretary. So secretary should be able to log in with username and password we write here. So for username, let's give 2. Password for easiness, let's also give 2. So if I press add, we can see the message saying added. If I press OK and try to view from here, a new can be seen saying the name new, department science, and email, username as followed. No, ecology as follows. So if I try to log out and use the username and password I just created to I should be able to go to the secretary view. I'm able to go to the secretary view and see the view lecturers. This type if I press full, the full type lecturer, full-time lecturer will be shown, part-time will be shown, and contract time will be shown. So let's go back to the main page. If I press log out, I'll be prompted with a window, login, password, sh. So as you can see, the data that we just added can be seen here. And if I press the delete button, any of the selected row will be deleted. If I press ecology, delete. Now we cannot see ecology data anymore. So this was the login. So if I try to add details to the lecture, and press add. Let's give ID 20, name Rajan, address Golfutar, contact 9404004, gender male, lecture time. Let's go for the contract time, department science, hourly rate 500, just for example. Join date 2010, join date 2017, salary 5,000. If I press add, message can be seen saying it's added, and I just kept in contract time. So if I press contact time, I should be able to see all these details. See I place, you can see Rajan Golfutar in contact number, gender, so and so on. This is my limitation to my program. Somehow I cannot scale my table on the lecturer table as in department table. So if I view, you can see Rajan Golfutar and all these details. So I think this doesn't have a valid contact number. So if I want to delete, I just need to press here, press the button delete, and data will be deleted. And there is a limitation to my program. First of all, first my goal was to, if I press any row, my goal was to able to edit. If I press this, I should be able to go back to the additional form and edit all this detailed. But I couldn't able to complete that task, and I can only view at the moment and cannot edit, but can delete. So if I press full time, on the full time details will be shown. The part time details, contract time will be shown. And I use that file to insert insert as well as retrieve all the data. As you can see, that file is object oriented. I mean the so you cannot see the exact name. If it was text file, we could see, so on and so forth. So these are all the files that I created to make this possible. So in this way, I was able to complete all, most of the features, but I wasn't able to edit, and that's my limitation to the program. And also, as you can see, I have used very simple interface, as I didn't had much time. I didn't uh, spend much time on designing, and look forward for a simple design, so I can finish on time. So this is my program. If there is anything or uh, you, queries, you can always ask. Uh, um, so this is my program, and thank you for watching. Bye.